How you doing today? Hoover and Associates. My name is Charles with 7883 SEO and Marketing here in Colorado Springs. I am co-owner, and a couple of things we do to tell you a little about us is we do web design, web development, digital marketing, and SEO. So what brought me to your website today is I'm looking for underbuilt websites and underbuilt SEO websites. So I typed in a keyword, accounts Colorado Springs, and it gave me a list, and I started digging through. And so essentially I look for these sites because we help a lot of clients here in the Colorado Springs and Denver area to help bring them more business, more organic traffic. Looking at your site initially, you guys have a nice site, a nice built site as far as visual appeal. It's got a lot of good appeal. But one thing I noticed that is a huge Google ranking factor is what we call content. Word content is important for Google because they send crawlers over your pages, and if you don't have appropriate word content for Google to crawl, then they won't rank you. They won't trust you as a website. And so when I look through this, you've probably at best maybe got 250, 300 words. Google likes to see for a front page, they like to see 1,200 to 1,500 words, and subsequent pages they like to see 500 to 750 words. But going back onto content once again is photos as well, and things can be done with photos to make them optimize better, so to fit better. And the reason I say that is because, okay, this photo here may look great on a computer, but if it's not properly optimized for a tablet or for a cell phone, it's not going to load quick, and Google finds that. And when they do, they smack you on the hand for it. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to click really quick and show you an example. So one of the ways that SEO is done, with photos is you're supposed to save correctly. Well, this, has your name in it. The problem is it has no keywords other than your name being a keyword. So you're losing ranking power. The second part of optimizing photos is what we call depixelating a photo, making it fit to where it works on a computer, on a tablet, or on a cell phone. It's not done. And I've went through every photo on your website, and they're not done. They're not saved properly. You're losing keywords. The remainder of your keywords obviously happen in your word content. And attaching on that, I want to tell you why that's all important, because I've got a metric program up here that's going to show me the metric. It's going to show me all the traffic that you have on your website and why it's not good right now. The first thing I want to do is I want to show you your top competitor here in Colorado Springs for accounting, and the reason I want to do that is to give you a baseline of where an accounting company in Colorado Springs should be. And so I've got Sakura CPA pulled up on SEMrush, which is the program I use. It gives me all the metrics. I can use any website. I can pull up any website onto this and see the metrics of anywhere in the world. So authority score wise, they're doing pretty well. Authority score, they've been around a while. They've got, they're established. Google trusts them. They've got some longevity. Another major ranking factor for Google is backlinks and referring domains that are relevant to your industry. So not all backlinks are created equal, but important ones, and they drive traffic, which is, for them, 377 click-through traffic last month. Another important area to look at is top organic keywords that are in their website, and this is how they're found. And this is why content is so important. They have 165 keywords that matter, that are relevant to the industry. Now, if we pull your company up, you guys have an authority score of 12, which is similar, not too far off, of Sakura. The problem, and you guys are established. The problem is you guys have no organic search traffic. And remember when I said a few minutes ago, all backlinks aren't created equal. And so just because you guys have similar backlinks and referring domains, it tells me that they're not relevant to your industry, because otherwise they would be driving organic traffic. And actually, your organic traffic is going even lower. So the other part to look at is your guys' organic keywords. You have 12 to Sequoia's 165. The last thing we like to look at, which is a good telltale, is we do what's called citations, which is a form of a backlink and probably one of the more important ones for registries or registrars. So yellow pages, things of that nature. So we've got you guys pulled up. You actually have more citations and one less opportunity than Sequoia, which is good. But I can even click in and I can see Sequoia's stuff. So if there's something you're missing that they have, this gives the information, you know, that you can click in and you can see it. We can go back and we can get the same things. In this realm, I would say you're fine. Your site is fine citation-wise. The problem is now laying with your other referring domains not being adequate to drive you traffic, but also your keywords. So, and that obviously comes in SEO form, on-page and off-page management. So if this is something you guys are interested in driving more traffic for your business, I would love to sit down with you guys for 10 or 15 minutes, you know, whether that's Zoom or a phone call or in person or whatever, and, you know, deep dive for 10 or 15 minutes, get some information, see what your guys' goals and aspirations are and where you'd like to see some of this go, and see if maybe we can't curate a package for you guys. I'm going to leave my phone number in the email, and obviously you can either email or you can call me back if you guys are interested. I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, have a great day, and thank you for your time.